Let's talk about how product managers should define customer personas. Product managers must make informed decisions about who their customers are, what they need, and how their product provides a solution. Personas are fictional characters that help product managers make these decisions and guide on how the team will build features that the customers love. There are two main types of customer personas: buyers and users. Buyers' personas represent the ideal profile of a potential buyer, providing insights about the people who decide to purchase your product or service. User personas, on the other hand, represent the people who directly use your product, bringing them to life in a memorable way that everyone can understand. So, what is the purpose of user personas? The main purpose of a user persona is to create empathy for customers. Understanding and relating to what matters to your customers is an essential part of product management. This requires ongoing research about target user segments so that you can build an informed roadmap. With all that said, here are the key benefits of defining user personas. Number 1, it helps in explaining the why behind product decisions. Secondly, it helps focusing on the needs of the most important user groups. Thirdly, it is used to prioritize features that solve actual user problems. And finally, it's used to implement new functionality in line with how customers will actually use it. Now, let's take a look at creating user personas, and here's how to do that. First of all, you need to understand who will use your product. Personas must be as truthful as possible, so it is important to spend time learning as much as possible about your target users. What is their role? How long have they been in the industry? And what are their likes and dislikes? This information helps to envision a typical user and view your product from their perspective. You need to take note of these types of information that can be useful to gather. Personal background, that is age, education and location. Professional background, that is job title, income level, skills, responsibilities and experience. And finally, psychographic information such as goals, challenges, likes and dislikes. Secondly, while creating your user personas, group your typical users. You'll most likely need to create multiple personas to represent different groups of users. Once you've gathered sufficient data, look for distinct characteristics and behavioral patterns. Thirdly, you need to build out a user persona template. Give each persona a name and select an image to represent and make your persona memorable. Then write up an overview that distills the essential elements of their background and preferences. Finally, share user personas with the team. Once created, share your personas with the key members in your organization. Associating your personas with your goals, initiative, releases and features will keep your customers top of mind and present in everything you do. Well-crafted personas are a great way to communicate research about your target customers, and thus, these are useful reminders of the ultimate purpose of your product: to serve the needs of real people.